Hey, welcome back to Gear Choice Channel. Get ready to experience the thrill of off-road adventure like never before with the Duotts D66 electric scooter, featuring a powerful 6-die V8 1802 motor from Jais. The D66 delivers mind-blowing speeds of 65-70 km, effortlessly conquering inclines of up to 45 degrees. But that's not all. With its 60V24A battery, composed of premium Chinese 18,650 cells, the D66 offers an impressive range of 60-70 km on a single charge, ensuring you can explore to your heart's content. Crafted with an aluminum alloy frame and equipped with front and rear fenders, the D66 is built to withstand whatever the trail throws at it. Plus, with an IPX4 waterproof rating, you can ride with confidence, rain or shine. Enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride with front and rear spring shock absorbers and 11-inch off-road tires, providing excellent traction and stability. And with adjustable height options, it caters to riders of all sizes. Foldable design? Check. Front and brake lights for safety? Check. Turning signal lights for visibility? Double check. The D66 comes fully loaded with everything you need for the ultimate off-road adventure. Don't miss out on the ride of a lifetime. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest adventures with the Duotts D66 electric scooter. And be sure to check the link in the description to buy yours today.